Hey, what's up, YouTube? Here I am with another video for you guys. One of these random videos, random review videos, but okay. Uh, I have been running my powder coating shop for probably 3 years now. So a few weeks ago, my Craftman 60-gallon air compressor went out. So it was completely my fault. This is the compressor right here. It was completely my fault. I bought this compressor brand new, probably 3 years ago. I never did any, I didn't perform any maintenance on it. I didn't change the oil, not even one time. Yeah. So here I am. So after I was doing a research on internet, looking for an affordable air compressor. So I was looking into a few options. I ended up ordering a Campbell Hausfeld 80 gallons air compressor. So I was trying to find information, reviews about this compressor. I wasn't able. It's almost nothing on the web. So I just found a YouTube video from a guy that also ran a powder coating shop. So he was pretty kind. He answered my questions about the compressor. But here I am, doing this video for you guys. So if you're looking for a big air compressor, this is a good choice. It's a good option. It's a very good option. It's not that expensive. This compressor was around $2,500 plus taxes. I ordered it from Lowe's, my local Lowe's here in Port St. Lucie, Florida. So let's get into the compressor. I mean, the thing is big. I am almost 5'7". And look at this. I am almost 5'7". This thing is it's really big. So this compressor looks pretty decent. So the electric motor is a 7.5 horsepower, 208 to 230 volts, and it drains around 32 to 31 amps. So the motor is the engine motor, the electric motor, sorry, is made in Mexico. It says somewhere it's made in Mexico. Right there. It's made in Mexico. To be honest, the compressor looks good for the price. I was looking into other options, but I don't like the reviews that I found on the internet. So this is 7.5 horsepower. This compressor already comes with the mag starter or magnetic starter for the electric motor. I am not an electrician, but as far as I know, the magnetic starter help the electric motor to run better and last longer. And that's what all we wanted at the end of the day. Something that lasts. So a few things about this compressor is it came pre-filled it came pre-filled with oil. It's not this oil, it was another different oil. I don't like that oil because the oil that was before inside the pump, it was like some kind of milky oil, some sort of milky oil. I don't know, it was a braking oil because on the instructions, it didn't say anything about the compressor being pre-filled with oil or braking oil or anything like that. So I don't like the look of that oil. So what I did, I followed the instructions for the braking process. So all compressors need to go through a braking process. So the braking process was left the running compressor with the drain, and this valve right here completely open. So in that way the compressor was running with no stop for an hour. So what I did after that hour, I shut my compressor down. I let it cool down, and when it was completely cold, I just drained through here all that nasty oil that came in it, and I add the new oil. This is the oil they recommend, Campbell Hausfeld air compressor oil. So this thing takes around 2 quarters of oil. This is the filling plug to fill the oil through here. Never fill the oil through the breather. The right way to do it is through this plug right here. So another thing with this compressor, he was leaking oil. It wasn't a big leak, but you were able to see a dripping oil from the visor and from this plug right here. So what I did, I added a blue Teflon tape to it, and now it's perfect. No issues, no dripping, it's completely dry. It's pretty easy to do. So the other reason I choose this compressor is because the well it performs. This compressor delivers 20, let me check the plate right here. This compressor delivers 27.2 SCFM at 90 psi and 25.1 SCFM to 175 psi. So you can see the model of the compressor right there. It's the Campbell Hausfeld TF 211201AJ. Another thing with this compressor is it was pretty quiet. It was surprisingly quiet than my Craftsman's 60-gallon over there. I don't know, probably because it runs at less RPMs. The motor runs less RPMs, so it made that quiet. I don't know, but it's quiet. Even when it's bigger, it's quieter than the Craftsman 60 gallons. So this compressor does not have a kill switch, it works just with the pressure switch. So when this thing goes up to 175, he automatically shut down. Otherwise, he's gonna keep running. At least you turn the brake off or something. So that's why I have this disconnect right here. But I'm planning to add a kill switch over here. So with the kill switch, I will be able to turn it off and on whenever I want. So I really want to do that because right now he's just working with the pressure switch. So I was also impressed. It was very impressive with the pump is very efficient. So it was amazing because the compressor goes from completely empty, from 0 PSIs and 0 gallons inside the tank, to full 80 gallons and 175 in just 4 minutes and 30 seconds. 4 minutes and 30 seconds to fill 80 gallons, 80 gallon tank. I mean, it's good. This is one man shop, so I will be running the compressor for mostly my sandblaster cabinet right here. So it's gonna be more than enough, the 25 CFM, to run my sandblasting cabinet. Let me connect this the disconnect right here. Let me connect it. To be honest, it's not so loud. Yep. I mean, it looks good, to be honest. I know there are better options on the market. Quincy, Polar, Emax. But yeah, they were out of my range, so I can afford it more than what I pay for this compressor, to be honest. Time with tools. Oh, it's something very important. I almost forgot about it. This compressor comes with 3-year warranty. It's a 3-year warranty. It's responsible for the 3-year warranty. You don't have to pay you don't have to pay extra for the warranty. It comes already with the 3 years. The other brands like DeWalt, Ingersoll, Ram, Husky, all those compressors, you need to pay extra for the 2, 3+ years warranty. With this compressor, not. it already comes with 3-year warranty on it. So you don't need to worry about to spend extra money on extra warranty. So that's really cool, right? That's really cool. Uh, so guys, this is it for now. I mean, the compressor uh, looks well made. A couple imperfections, as I said before, that it was leaking over here and stuff like that. Nothing crazy. Uh, a few things they can bend when they do the shipping, but I straighten out just a few of these. I straighten they out. So um, I add this extended drain from my Craftsman air compressor. I put it on this compressor so it's easier to drain. Oh. Well guys, that's it. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I mean, I don't making any profit of this. I'm not a professional YouTuber or anything like that. I just try to help people. I want to apologize for my English. I know my English is not perfect or near to be perfect, but I do what I can. So I'm gonna add to the link of the video, I'm gonna add my information about my powder coating business, my powder coating shop. So my Instagram and my Facebook page, you can take a look on what I do. And let me know, probably, who knows, if I can help you out with something. All right, guys, see you later.